Good afternoon, ma'am. I am Charity Labagna Redoble, and this is a continuation of our report about biblical criticism. So, the film that fits the topic, The Last Temptations of Christ. So, The Last Temptations of Christ explore the human aspect of Jesus, imagining the internal struggle and the temptations he might have faced. This film resonates with the theme of biblical criticism, by far representing of Jesus, who is both divine and profoundly human, offering an interpretations that challenges traditional views. So, the movie examines questions central to historical and reductionist criticism. So, my topic is about The Last Temptations of Christ movie. So, it is a religious drama film that depicts Jesus Christ's life and his struggle with temptation. The film was controversial, provoking public outcry and denunciations from some conservative Christian group. It includes a scene of which Jesus and Mary Magdalene have sex, which has condemned by the Christian.